All right, this video is how to export a photo or a PNG or a JPEG or whatever the heck you put into Lightroom out of Lightroom and onto the desktop on your computer. So what I've done is I've clicked on this one. Let's take a look at it. So I'm gonna export this picture right here. I've just clicked one. Now you could go command. You could hold down the shift key and click 3 or 4 of them if you want, but we're just going to do one. I'm gonna get out of it here. I'm going to double click on it and it goes back. And so I picked this one. So what we have to do is we got to travel all the way over here to the right hand top, and you're going to see there's a little box with an arrow up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click that, and it's going to give me another box, and I'm going to put my cursor right over the save to. I'm going to click that, and it's going to open a box in the center of your screen. And what you have to do is, first of all, you got to choose a file type, and we're just going to leave it as a JPEG. And you can do full size, or if you want, you could do some kind of custom size or small. We're going to keep it full, and then we're going to go to location. Now you got to click on here. Right now, it would put it in my on my desktop because I've got that set as the location. So I'm good. But if I wanted to, I could change it, and I could put it anywhere in the computer. I could put it on an external hard drive or whatever. But let's go ahead and cancel that because we've already picked desktop. And then all I have to do is hit this, and it'll save it to that desktop. Here we go. Bam. Now it's done. All right, so let's go ahead and see if we did save that to the desktop. I'm going to minimize this. And we're going to go over here, and yep, there it is. Bam. So we saved it to our desktop, and that's how you do it. Very simple, very easy. Lightroom's not exactly intuitive, and since you're probably paying 10 bucks a month, you want to know how to use it. And that's how you do an export of an individual photo. You could do a group of photos, like I said, but that's the best way to do one and put it on your desktop. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use the new Adobe Lightroom and other stuff on your Mac computer. Peace out.